In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF in Notion. If you want to keep documents, guides, forms, or reference materials directly inside your Notion workspace, adding a PDF is a simple and useful way to do it. This makes it much easier to keep everything in one place, especially if you're building notes, project pages, client hubs, or study materials. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along and upload your file without any confusion. To begin, open the Notion page where you want the PDF to appear. This is important because the PDF will be inserted directly into that page, so make sure you're in the right location before uploading anything. You can use an existing page or create a new one first if needed. Once you're there, click into the page so your cursor is active and ready for input. Next, type /PDF. In Notion, the / command is a quick way to insert different kinds of content blocks, and PDF is one of those options. As you type, Notion will show a list of matching block types. When you see the PDF option appear, select it. This tells Notion that you want to embed or upload a PDF file into the page. After that, click Upload. This option lets you add a file directly from your computer into Notion. It's the best choice if the PDF is already saved locally and you want it stored inside the page for easy access. Once you click Upload, a file browser window will open so you can choose the document you want to add. Now find the PDF file on your computer and select it. After choosing the file, confirm your selection so the upload can begin. At this point, Notion will start processing the file and placing it into the page. Depending on the size of the PDF and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. The final step is simply to wait for the upload to finish. Once it's done, the PDF will appear on the Notion page as its own block. From there, you can open it, preview it, move it around on the page, or keep it alongside your other notes and content. And that's it. That's how to add a PDF in Notion. It's a very quick process, and once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature.